What's up, guys? I just positioned my phone over Amy's shoulders so it looks like she has my head right now. You guys can't see it, but it's putting me in a good humor. Anyways, today was a very progressive day. Had the occupational therapist come and do some stuff today. Salad. I got the official beard achievement badge for my buddy. I won't say his name on camera because people, sometimes feel a certain way. But yeah, earlier today I was in a bit of a down mood and was concerned, like I am every time when I'm in a mood, that my mood is going to cause others' moods to go down. And with my mother coming home to talk to me about the ramp that I'm getting installed, I was ultra concerned because I would not be very useful in that conversation at all. So, with that, I just had to withdraw and rethink things. What's the hair in it? Yeah. But then my buddy Brian came over, and he really put me in a good mood. I've known the guy forever, and just being able to talk to a friend as if I was not in a chair was amazing. It helped me out a lot. And now we are just kicking it, me and Amy, and I'm going to watch some movies. Just had a great salad. Here's an update on my physical to do, because it doesn't really matter. I'm talking to you guys. Who is this person? I'm in pants now. No more boxers. I am still wearing underwear, but I've been making a few mistakes with this guy, forgetting that I can't put any weight on it. So things like dragging against the bed or nudging into stuff has caused me some discomfort. Nothing like things are cracking or I'm putting all my weight on it. But with that leg, and I don't feel the pain in the knee. Straightening out is still some work indeed. That knee still has some swelling. And this guy, this guy's fine. He's man about town. So that's that. The ramp should be here on the 30th. I might start making these videos in every 2 days or so, because the changes aren't that drastic. And leave some space on YouTube for important stuff. Anyways, signing out. Gonna have some milk duds and special tea.
You have something in your eye?
And I've been eyeing this nut bar.
You're a nut bar.
Alright, guys.